about does it for this one, folks. So if you were like me and you were getting frustrated and thinking that you were putting down the right product for your lawn, but you still felt like you were guessing about what product to put out, do yourself a favor and do what I did and finally go get you a soil test kit. That way you know exactly what you have in your yard and in your soil, and you don't have to do any guessing anymore. You can go find a product that's going to give you the best results for the content you have in your soil. So I used yardmastery.com because it seemed to me they had lots of granulars and liquids that you can choose to give yourself the best result for your yard. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe and stay tuned in to upcoming videos that I have coming up. Thanks a lot.